Good morning everyone. I am Gayatri Manwade, lecturing in ADFT GPW Hubli. Today I am going to discuss with you about Introduction to Fashion, a fourth unit, and this is the seventh session. Let us proceed with. In last previous sessions we have discussed about Introduction to Fashion, evolution of fashion, and types of fashion. Now let us proceed with the fashion accessories. Whatever the costume we wear, those are totally incomplete without the accessories. Accessories are important items or equipments that are not usually essential but which can be used with or added to something else in order to make it more efficient, useful, or decorative. Accessories are the articles such as belts, scarves, which you wear or carry but which are not part of your main clothing. The most common thing is the accessories, some are a part of our clothing and some are not a part of our clothing. Accessories give more importance to your personal style, taste, and preferences. They also offer unlimited opportunities for clothes, helping you to do the best of each item you have. Clothes take up more space physically in your closet and clothes, but accessories are important details to complete the appearance of yours. Now, fashion accessories are used to essentially contribute in some way to the wearer's outfit. They are designed to complete the whole look and complement to the outfit. The accessory is also considered as the one of the complement items or materials or things which we wear or we use along with our clothes. Accessories are further used to express the individual's personality, identity, and personal taste. These items come in all sort of colors, shapes, sizes, hues, designs, and materials, which is why they are perfect for any day and outfit. Here, accessories can be worn along with ethnic wear, casuals, formals, or sometimes they can be worn along with westerns also. There is a huge variety of fashion accessories available for men, women that you can use to pair with your outfit. The different types of accessories which are used by men, women and kids also commonly. Those are handbags, glasses, wallets, jackets, shoes, boots, hats, or you may say footwear also. Now belts. What are belts? Belts are available in different colors, different width and different textured patterns they are available. And they are worn at the waistline so that to decrease the fullness at the waistline, the belts are worn, and these are worn along with trousers, skirts, frocks. And tall people use wide belts. The short people use slim belts. Even belts are used by kids also. These belts are made up of leather, cloth and many other raw materials which are available naturally, or some are made up of man-made. Next is handbags. No doubt these handbags are used by both men and women, but the pattern changes. Make sure that your handbag goes with the shoes you wear, even though they do not necessarily have to be the same color. Sometimes the shoes and bags we use will be of same color, or even you can use a contrast color. If your shoes and bags have different colors or do not match, make sure that color of shoes are lighter than the color of handbag what you carry. Here handbags are used to carry the required items, required things, or most essential things which you need during the work time or during traveling. These handbags are also made up of leather and clothes and PVC thermal fabrics. And on the basis of requirements, we choose the type or pattern of a handbag. Even small, the sizes also vary accordingly, small to large. So, for what purpose we are serving the bags or we are utilizing the bags, on that grounds we have to select the bags and color also. Next is scarves. You can wear a scarf to keep you warm or as a decorative item also. Scarves have different designs as well as different colors, sizes, and these are made up of different types of fabrics. Even knitted scarves are also available. Knitted, knitwear and satin, wide variety of fabrics can be used to make the scarves. You can wear the scarves on head, neck, waist, or you can tie it in a hat manner or shawl. You can wear it as a shawl, overhanging or side loop, or in any other style how you require it. Next is eyeglasses. Eyeglasses, sunglasses, sunshade glasses should coordinate your face. The frame of the glass should coordinate with your face. On the shape of your face or your skin complexion, you have to select your eyeglasses. Wear eyeglass frames that are not much wider than your face. Eyeglasses should not be too decorative. They should be in a simple manner, but it should be able to fit your purpose and lifestyle. According to your profession or your lifestyle, or what dress you are wearing, what pattern of your dress will be, and what are the other accessories you have used along with your clothes. On that basis, you have to select your eyeglass also. Sunglasses are used to prevent sun glares as well as fashionable items. Some of the people, they use eyeglasses for a particular purpose to protect their eyes from the sun when they will go in the bright sunlight. Or else some of the people, they will be having the eyesight problem. Far sight, close distance, while reading they will use the reading and writing they will use the eyeglasses. Thank you guys. Let us see you in the next session.